Hi everyone, welcome. This is Dingle Ara Noella Adana. In today's video, we're going to explore the connection between gender and globalization. Two big ideas that shape our daily lives, even if we don't always notice them. First, we'll look at how globalization has changed women's roles in the global economy, from factory work to migration and digital jobs. Then, we'll talk about how these changes can both empower women and deepen existing inequalities. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll understand why gender matters in every discussion about globalization and how more inclusive policies can help create a fairer world. First, the interconnectedness of gender and globalization. Globalization has reshaped traditional gender roles, particularly by increasing women's participation in the global labor market. This shift highlights how economic integration does not occur in vacuum but interacts with deeply rooted societal norms. The movement of women into paid work challenges patriarchal structures, yet also exposes them to exploitation and precarious conditions. Cultural shift in identity. Globalization also influences cultural norms and identities, challenging traditional views of gender roles. Exposure to diverse ideas and lifestyle can foster greater acceptance of gender inequality. Yet, it may also provoke resistance and backlash. This tension between change and tradition reflects the dynamic culture or nature of gender relations in a globalized world. Understanding this cultural shift is crucial for developing effective strategies that promote inclusivity and respect for diversity. Empowerment through technology and education. Access to information and communication technologies has empowered women by providing new avenues for education, entrepreneurship, and social engagement. Digital platforms connect women to global markets and networks, enabling them to share knowledge and advocate for their rights. However, the digital divide persists, limiting access for many women in rural or low-income areas. This reflection highlights the importance of bridging this gap to harness the full potential of women empowerment. Policy implications and advocacy. The intersection of gender and globalization necessitates gender-sensitive policies that prioritize women's rights and well-being. Advocacy efforts must focus on ensuring that women have a voice in decision-making processes related to trade, labor, and development. By integrating gender perspectives into global policies, societies can create more equitable outcomes and address the root causes of gender inequality. This reflection underscores the importance of collective action and advocacy in shaping a more just and inclusive global future.